Top 6 AI ETFs to invest in 2025. What's up, everybody? It's Alpa. AI is everywhere these days, and for a good reason. By 2030, AI is projected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy. That's insane. So if you're anything like me, you're probably thinking about how to get a piece of that insane growth. Now, you could try to pick individual AI stocks, but let's be real, that's a lot of work. Plus, it can be risky trying to predict which companies will come out on top. That's where AI ETFs come in. These bad boys let you invest in a basket of AI-focused companies with just one purchase. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 6 AI ETFs you should consider for 2025. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Xtrackers Artificial Intelligence and Big Data ETF, ticker symbol XAA. Now, this bad boy is all about giving you that pure play AI exposure. What I mean by that is, it specifically tracks the Nasdaq Global Artificial Intelligence and Big Data Index. And this index doesn't mess around. It's super selective, only picking companies that are heavily involved in machine learning, image and speech recognition, and natural language processing. We're talking about companies filing patents in these fields, not just dabbling. The best part? XAX is currently the lowest cost US-listed pure play AI ETF on the market. You're only looking at a 0.35% expense ratio, which is insanely low. So if you're looking for a straightforward and affordable way to jump into AI, XAX is definitely worth checking out. Next up is the Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, or AIQ for short. Now, unlike XAIX, which is laser-focused on pure-play AI companies, AIQ takes a broader approach. This ETF wants to give you exposure to the entire AI value chain. Think of it like this. AIQ invests in companies that are developing the hardware and software that power AI, as well as companies that are actually using AI in their products and services. You're getting a more well-rounded exposure to the AI industry as a whole. Interestingly enough, the holdings in AIQ end up looking a lot like what you'd find in the Nasdaq 100, but with a stronger emphasis on technology and mid-cap growth stocks. So if you want a more diversified play on AI, AIQ is a solid option. Now, for those of you who are really into the robotics side of AI, I want to introduce you to the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, or BOTs. This ETF is all about investing in companies that are developing and using robots and AI in industrial automation, healthcare, and even consumer goods. Unlike AIQ, which casts a wider net, BOTs is more of a niche play. It focuses specifically on companies involved in applied automation. Think of things like factory robots, surgical robots, and even those robot vacuums that are becoming increasingly popular. Another key difference with BOTs is its international focus. While it does hold US companies, it leans more heavily towards international stocks, particularly from countries like Japan and Switzerland, which are known for their robotics expertise. So, if you're looking for a way to invest in the global robotics boom, BOTs is definitely worth considering. Chapter 4 Invesco AI and Next Gen Software ETF, or IGPT for short. Moving right along, let's talk about this ETF. It tracks the StocksWorld AEC Next Gen Software Development Index, which focuses on, you guessed it, next generation software development with a strong emphasis on AI. Now, this index is all about finding companies that are at the forefront of software development, particularly those leveraging AI to create innovative software solutions. We're talking about companies that are developing everything from AI-powered cybersecurity software to cloud-based AI platforms. The cool thing about IGPT is that it gives you exposure to a global portfolio of 100 companies that are generating revenue from various forms of software and AI. It's like having a diversified tech portfolio in one neat little package. Chapter 5. Now, if you want to get really specific with your AI investments, you need to check out the Roundhill Generative AI and Technology ETF. This ETF has a very specific focus: generative AI. What is generative AI, you ask? It's a type of AI that's all about creating new content like text, images, music, you name it. Think of things like AI-powered writing assistants, image generators, and even those AI-composed music tracks you've probably heard. Chat uses a proprietary methodology to select stocks, combining a transcript score and a sector score to evaluate how relevant companies are to generative AI. They're not just looking at any company that mentions AI. They're digging deep into company transcripts and analyzing their revenue, profit, and R&D investments in AI technologies. Chapter 6. Last but not least, we have the REX AI Equity Premium Income ETF, or AIPI. Now, this one is a little different from the others because it's an income-focused ETF in the AI space. That's right, this bad boy is designed to generate income for you on top of potential capital appreciation. How does it do that? AIPI uses a covered call strategy. Basically, they sell call options on each of the individual holdings in the ETF. This generates premium income, which is then distributed to investors like you and me. Now, finding a consistent income stream in the tech sector, especially in a cutting-edge field like AI, is pretty rare. So, if you're looking for an ETF that can potentially provide you with both growth and income, AIPI is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, my top 6 AI ETFs for 2025. Remember, these are just a starting point. Do your own research, understand the risks, and make sure these ETFs align with your own investment goals and risk tolerance. AI is changing the world as we know it, and investing in these ETFs could be your ticket to being a part of that change. It's like getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos about AI, investing, and everything in between. Thanks for watching.